Hi guys, it's Carlisha obviously, and today I'm coming on here to show you guys how I get this box braid bob using my flat iron method. Um, yeah, this is my first time doing this style on myself, so I wanted to try it on myself before I tried it on anybody else, and I think I did pretty well for my first time. Um, if I had to do anything different, instead of just doing the whole back first, I would go around to make sure everything is really even. And then I will also take another row. See, this is the short row. I just pushed it over to the side. I will make this row right here longer. But I can always take them little four braids down and make them longer. But I just don't feel like it right now. This style took up to 4 hours. If you do it non-stop, it only takes 4 hours. But I'm pretty sure if you do it bigger, it'll take less than that. And yeah. Again, this me doing this hairstyle. I use 7 packs of 100% Kankalon hair, which I will show you once the video starts. And I also use a comb, the normal stuff, comb, scissors, and clips, and all that. And again, I'll show you once the video starts. So, again, guys, thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoy it. And tell me what you guys think. And if you want to get this hairstyle, continue watching. Hi guys, it's Carlisha, and I know I look a mess, but it's for a good reason. Today I'm coming on here to do some box braids and cut it into a bob. I'm trying to cut it into a bob. So we're going to see how that turned out. And I'm pretty sure you guys all know what you're going to be needing. If you don't, you need a comb, some clips, scissors, and some hair. I'm using this Kankalon hair right here. What is this? 100% KK braid, Kankalon hair. I don't know why I couldn't figure out what it was. Urban Beauty. So this is the hair I'm gonna be using, and I already have some hair that's cut up right here and separated. So I'm gonna start off with that hair that I already started with, that I cut up. I mean, not cut up, that I cut in half and separated. So I'm gonna start with the back, because I think that's gonna, if I separated my sections, this part gonna stop right here and the other part gonna stop down here. So I feel like if I separate my hair, that it will be a lot easier for me. So let's get started in the back. We're gonna part it off. Gonna clip this out the way. Hope you guys can see me. And I'm gonna make them like medium to big size. Yeah, I'm just feel for it to figure out if I think this is the size I want them. Medium to big, sort of in that area. And we're just gonna take one out here and then tease the end. And like I said, I did cut my hair in half because I'm trying to go for the bob look with the braids. So I won't have, I'm not going to braid it all the way down to the end because I'm going to have to cut it anyway. I'm trying to get close as possible as I can to show you guys how I start my braids off. I'm gonna go a little bit past of where I'm gonna burn the hair, so that when it unravels, it won't unravel too far up. So I'm gonna stop there. And if you braid your hair anyway, you would know how much you need to pick up. You just get something. You can just feel for it. You can tell when it's too much or when it's too little. And I know my part's not perfect, but it'll be all right. Okay, and you don't want to space when you do the next part. You don't want to make your space your parts out too big, because you don't want too many spaces in your hair, because you want your bob to look full. So try not to make your parts like too big. Okay, so guys, this my first row. Okay, this my first row. So did you guys see that? Cause I know my hair was doing. So I'm going to keep braiding until I get up here, till I finish this part right here, and then I'm going to come back because I'm gonna show you guys how I use my flat irons to seal my hair. Okay, guys. So right now, I'm not finished with the whole back, but I want to make sure I'm not braiding down too far, and it save me some time. So I'm going to attempt to seal my braids with my flat iron. So we're about to see how this is going to go. What do I want? Okay. So we're going to do it right here. I don't know if they feel. Ouch. Okay, guys, don't touch him. Okay. Cut it. cut it. Okay, I'm gonna work my way up, guys. See how this about to go. You can really seal more than one at a time, but I'm trying to get the hang of it before I start going real fast. I don't want to mess up, really.
Let me explain to you what I'm saying.
What you saying?
It's not even like that.
It wasn't like that, but I saw you.
Baby, I don't love her.
You don't love me? You know what? I don't even want to talk.
She don't mean nothing to
I don't
me.
want to see your face.
She was just
I just want to see you walking through that door. There ain't nothing else to say.
Why would I do it like this? Baby, damn.
Okay, guys, I'm done and I'm finished with it. I'm about to get ready and put some jewelry and stuff on it. Yeah, that's the end of my video. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope the video is not too long. Let me know what you guys think. Bye.